Hello and welcome to Louise Singleton Creations. I have another Wednesday review day for you today. Well, it's more of a gift day than a review day, although I will be reviewing where the gift came from. I just wanted to show you this box of treasures today from Laura's Art Corner, and I will also be making a little something after I've shown you what's in the box. The first thing I found in my gift from Laura was a pair of sunglasses, and I will be getting back to that later on. So for now, I'm just going to put them to the side. So before Laura put together this box of treats, she did ask me what I was interested in, and I said that I love the shells that she sells in her store, and I also love her range of glass glitters, and she didn't disappoint. So you've just seen some blue shell pieces, but look at this. Out of everything, this is one of my very favourite things that she sent, the fairy dust sparkle glass. You see how heavy it is as it moves. It's just, the quality and the look of it is just gorgeous. And the baubles, I love the baubles from Laura's Art Corner. They're like little bubbles. Aren't they great? I haven't used any yet. I just like looking at them. I'll have to think about how I'm going to use those. I have another pack in my drawer that she's sent me before. So what else have we got? We have the pink coral glass glitter. That's excellent. The reason I love the glass glitter is it stays where you put it. It doesn't float about all over the place in your resin or eco resin. And that is one of the reasons why I love it. Yeah, I'm not a glitter fan, as in the traditional glitter, but when it comes to glass glitter, I can't get enough of it. It's beautiful. So what's this one? Let's have a look. Oh, yes, this is the champagne crushed glass pieces. And let's have a look at those. Aren't they great? They look like real gold, don't they? Beautiful. And here's another one that's near to the top of my favourites list, Green Meadows glass glitter. Green is one of my favourite colours, and look at that. Oh, it's lush. Absolutely gorgeous. And while you see what else is in the box, let me tell you a little bit about Laura's Art Corner. Laura's Art Corner is a small business based in the USA, specialising in everything you could desire for resin art projects and more besides. In fact, whichever craft you may be interested in, Laura will have something to tempt you. From her massive range of pigments and sparkling additions to beautiful shell veneers and genuine gemstones. Laura also stocks a range of European brands which would otherwise be quite tricky to get hold of in America, such as the Aquacast Eco Resin range and epoxy resins from Elichem Resins. Laura's audience is primarily in the USA, but international sales are usually possible if you contact Laura directly. I'll leave her shop link and the discount code in the video description, and if you scroll down on the shop front, you will find her contact information if you're an international buyer. So with all that said, let's get on with making something. Now, as you saw at the beginning of the unboxing, Laura sent me a pair of sunglasses, and the reason she sent me them was because we'd been having a conversation about the beautiful shell veneer that she has in store, and she'd been saying that she thought it would be really good to kind of do an inlay on the sides of the sunglasses, and so I thought that was a good idea too. And surprise, surprise, bless her little heart, she sent me them. So I'm going to see if I can do a shell veneer inlay on the arms of my sunglasses today. It's definitely not a tutorial because the first arm didn't go well. The second arm was much better. But it's just for fun and hopefully a little bit of inspiration. So here I have my laser cutter and engraver from We Create. It's the We Create Vista. And what I wanted to do was engrave the shape of the veneer that I will be cutting onto the wooden arm of the sunglasses. And as you can see, I was a little bit lazy. What I should really have done was unscrewed the arm and, detached it from the sunglasses so that I could place it better on there. But I didn't. I hooked it over and I didn't secure it. And like I said, this is the first one that didn't go great. It went a bit wonky, and the reason it went wonky was because I didn't secure it and it was wobbling about. I just didn't think it through properly. But luckily it has two arms, so I had the chance to have a second try. But anyway, still the shape was engraved on there and it did fit the veneer, which I would be cutting with exactly the same shape which I engraved, so I knew it would fit perfectly. And here you can see I'm having my second attempt, and this one didn't go wonky, so I was very relieved about that. I knew I would have at least something good to show you. And there we are, that's much, much better. And so I used the same shape on my computer on the workspace to cut out instead of engrave this time. And I cut out the seashell veneer, the abalone veneer, which Laura had previously sent me. It wasn't actually in the kit I showed you today. I'm showing you something else from Laura's Art Corner, which has been very popular with a lot of my viewers in the past. And so yeah, there you can see it's just cutting out this time as instead of engraving, but it's exactly the same shape, so I knew it would fit into my recessed area. And this is sticky backed veneer, so once I had it, all I needed to do was peel off the paper from the back and stick it into place. And of course, a lot of you won't have a laser engraver. The reason I used it was because I didn't want the veneer to be like just a sticker onto the wood. I wanted it to be like flush with the surface of the wood, and that's why I engraved the indentation. But if you really wanted to, you could do this without engraving the wood, and you could use it just like a sticker because it's very thin. I just wanted to try it out this way, and it did work really well. It felt very smooth. But yeah, you don't need a laser engraver for this project. And the shell veneer is just awesome. I love it to bits. And because it was a beautiful sunny day, I thought I really should go outside and try to model them. But I did find it very, very difficult to get a picture of the side of the sunglasses without looking at what I was doing. I'm not very good at selfies, I've got to say. But yeah, I did try modelling them, and there we go. I'm very happy with these sunglasses. And in the background, we have the cherry tree, which is called Bob. Yes, we do have a cherry tree called Bob. Our cat is buried there, and the cat was called Bob. So yeah, the cherry tree is now also called Bob. Well, that's it for this week. It was quite a short one, wasn't it? But my midweek videos often are. I really just wanted to show you what Laura had sent me, along with the little projects, of course. But yeah, I think small businesses these days are finding it hard, and they need all the help they can get. So please do go and have a look at Laura's Art Corner next time you're thinking of buying some supplies. Rather than going to the easy big names, please check out her shop, because you'll find things there that you won't find elsewhere. It's like a little Aladdin's cave. So I will stop waffling and I will get off. Thank you ever so much for coming and watching my midweek video, and I will see you on Sunday. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.